F&B and retail, and the powerful, as I mentioned before, functions. And we'll go to some designs related to the admin panel. We will do some functions together to show you how it works. And hopefully it will be productive and brief and easy to like absorb. We'll go through Jigsaw overview now. Areas of focus, Jigsaw solutions, key features and services, ordering types, integrations and partnerships, and last, Jigsaw clients. As Muna said at the beginning of this webinar, Jigsaw is a platform, a powerful platform. Its main goal, so I'm going to show something written here like part of the information, and I'm going to say sometimes something else, not written on the screen. However, Jigsaw, its main goal is to provide full ecosystem, fully automated, that serve the digital or online ordering in general. And actually, it's not to provide, it's to enable. This is the main goal of Jigsaw platform, to enable for F&B and retail business, to enable online and digital ordering in general, along with its accessories, let's say, accessories of the ordering cycle. This is the high-level main goal of Jigsaw platform. And why I said enable, not provide, because enabling means providing with a specific customized solution for or features for each business in each for each case in each business, like whether it's for F&B or retail, for each client, for his own cycle. All features should be customized to fit the business and make it seamless. So that's why it's enabling. And some business will use different solutions than other business. For example, restaurant solutions to enable online or digital ordering, let's say for restaurant, different than enabling retail business, enabling the online or digital ordering for retail business, like using different maybe solution like kiosk. Some business needs kiosk, some business doesn't need kiosk, self-service ordering, and so on, like drive-through, and so on. So this is the main goal of Jigsaw. And when I say enabling, again, it means it will keep evolving and improving the platform itself to make sure it is enabling actually any business related to F&B and retail business. So this is like the overview about Jigsaw platform. So this is our funny slogan actually. We all know the well-known say, keep your friend close and your enemy closer. We are using almost similar to this one, keep your goal close and your customer closer, because any solution, actually most of the solutions, digital solutions in the market, focus on the customer needs, let's say, and how to facilitate and make their lives in ordering much easier. So this is where this slogan came from. Okay. Now, the vision for Jigsaw actually in the next 3 up to 5 years is to provide this ecosystem we talked about as a block already customized for your business to plug and play immediately. Simple. And in the vision, to make it more seamless and with the least amount of steps required from any customer using any solution within this ecosystem, we will implement, or we are implementing or studying or analyzing to implement the best AI tool or tools to be used within the ecosystem, the big ecosystem on the whole platform. For example, now most of the pains or issues in the business or such businesses in restaurants, let's say, and retail industries, some of their issues, like the type or kind of report they requested. Each client or each business requires a specific type of reports. Like I want a report that will show me a specific item, how many items being sold with another item, for example. A specific report to show me the best-selling item in beverage, the best-selling item in rice, let's say, like kabsa, mandi, etc. The best-selling item is the complexity of generating different report for each client, even if it's seamless and controllable from the back end, it will be much easier and automated if we use the proper customized AI tool. For example, now let's say I'm the owner of a restaurant, X restaurant. I'm tired of keep asking my team or even the vendor like Jigsaw or Trust Angle, I need this specific report and at the end of each month. I need this specific report yearly, this specific report with this specific requirement weekly, and so on. The AI tool simply will collect the data, every data, I mean everything that will be considered as input or considered as input, yeah, to Jigsaw platform will be collected, will be analyzed and filtered, and based on the filtration, the AI tool will start to recommend and suggest something like, here is the best combo for the next month. Yogurt with orange juice, small size of orange juice, this specific sandwich, meat sandwich, and salad plate, for example. This is the best combo recommended for the next 3 months based on the data already given to the platform itself for this specific business, for this specific restaurant. For example, the best-selling combo for the past year will be like orange juice, or sorry, Pepsi Diet with this plate and this extra plate. So this will indicate, or this will give the best idea to the owner of this restaurant, like me, of the restaurant X, to actually change the menu or add something new to this menu. Combo, X combo, our new offer. So I'm not gonna wait for the marketing team to analyze the data on the system or on the dashboard, and then analyze the reports, best-selling item, best-selling product, best-selling combo, best-selling, and then come up with the best combos that we can combine for the next month or 3 months or a year. So this is something will be solved automatically, seamlessly, when we use actually AI tool. And of course, I'm focusing on the AI because this is where the market is going. Now, if you open any browser, any app, you will see at some point something about AI, any AI. Now we have hundreds of AI tools on the market. So that's why we need to cope up with the market. And one of the AI benefits, let's say, the reports we talked about, all kind of reports, I mean all kind of reports, will be generated automatically without the owner or the client or the responsible of the dashboard asking about any report. Why? because the AI, based on its own analysis about the data given or taken from the customers for a specific area, the AI tool will decide which report is the best for this period of time. Because let's say weekly reports shouldn't be about the best-selling item, for example. It should be about reports about amount, the best customer in this week, something like that. So the AI will decide what's the best reports, the best weekly reports, I mean the best monthly reports, and etc. And it will generate it automatically and share it with the right email, let's say, for the business. Yeah. So this is actually the vision, brief about the vision of Jigsaw in the next 3 up to 5 years, inshallah. Of course, Jigsaw focuses on the B2B market, because we serve, or it serves the, as we mentioned, F&B and retail industries. Okay. Now we can see here the main solutions of Jigsaw platform, or that Jigsaw platform actually provides. Mobile app, mobile application, web application. Whenever we hear or say mobile application, it's usually come with the web application, because both of them like cloud online ordering platform. What's the difference? In a quick minute, the difference between, I always hear this question, why should I go with the mobile application, not the web application? Or why should I start with the web application, not mobile application? Or why should I get both? Isn't one enough? Now, the main difference between web application and mobile application is the, let's say, the notification engine, notification or targeted notification engine. It's targeted because when you have your own mobile application, you can target your audience more efficiently, but you need to be well known, so people or customers will actually download your application. So that's why most of the recommendations go like, you can start with the web application. Anyone can open the web application using any browser. Once you established your digital presence, let's say, then you can move on and go with your own mobile application. So people or your customers, current customers and database that like your product or web application or your services, let's say, will go on and download your mobile application. Then you can engage with them efficiently using our platform. Of course, through the powerful notification marketing engine that Jigsaw provides, actually. The third solution here is self-service kiosk. When we talk about any solution in Jigsaw, or Jigsaw can provide or implement, we talk about all its accessories, whether it's hardware accessories or software accessories. And we'll go through them in the next slide, I think. But in brief, like if I want loyalty, if I want discounts, I want promo codes, and etc. Those are, we consider them like add-ons or accessories for enabling the online ordering. Now, the accessories for the self-service kiosks, the same thing, the software or the IT or the online accessories, along with the hardware accessories, the printer, a different type of scanner, payment devices, or type of payments like NFC, actual payment device, and so on. And in self-service kiosk, we provide customized kiosk. So we take in consideration the place that kiosk will take in each branch. Which the best size for the kiosk to be in this branch, even for the same brand. So for branch A, we'll take a kiosk mounted on the wall. branch B will be on the stand, and so on, with different size of screens. Accessories might be contactless touch screen, and so on. Yeah, the fourth main solution for Jigsaw or Jigsaw platform can provide is drive-through solution in general. Sorry, the full drive-through solutions for restaurant, let's say, because it's the famous one to use the drive-through for restaurant or ordering like F&B industries. When I say solutions, because the drive-through journey contains a lot of solutions in the cycle, in the first or the on one cycle, let's say, starting from the sensors when the car enters the journey or start the journey, passing through the ordering screens, digital menus, and the headset on the and the guy in the restaurant itself, and so on. Let's uh, read more about the drive-through. Yeah, Jigsaw drive-through, as clarified. Yeah, your customers are always on the go, and they need convenient ordering experience. That's why Jigsaw drive-through is here to help. Uh, I want, yeah, those the type of solutions in the journey of drive-through, like the outdoor digital menu screens included in the solution of drive-through. And in the image, you can see an example, not the exact screen. It could be those screens or different screens. Order confirmation screen and the speaker and the microphone outside. I mean, outdoor microphone and speaker. The screen itself, it could be here. It might not. Your business might not need this screen, for example. So the solutions within the Jigsaw drive-through solution are customizable, right? So one of our clients uses like one screen as digital menu because its business and the branch itself is like one of the branches, drive-through branches, is small, and the design in general from the outdoor, yeah, goes with one screen, and the business requirements goes with one screen, not two screens, for example. So and we have the headset communication system, and this is the trainee and the trainer, how to use the headset properly to maybe hear about minimizing the noise, speed of services, dashboard, all the management within the branch can see the dashboard to control or to monitor the queue of the cars on the drive-through, and insights based on the intervals that the business requires, actually. Let's go back to, so you're not here. Let's go back. Let's read more about the kiosk. Brief. Okay. F&B and retail businesses. This the image of this kiosk is actually a real image for one of the kiosks that we have. Uh, in the office, on the kiosk that we present and test for demo purposes at the office. Each kiosk could be branded, fully branded, based on the client, actually, or based on the brand of the restaurant or the retail store. So here you can see Jigsaw, the logo of Jigsaw, printed on the kiosk here. But you can print full color. You can get this kiosk fully colored with your brand. So this is we do, actually. for each client. Indicator, camera, panel touch, handle door, okay, handle door, lacquer. We talked about this. This is the kiosk from the back. I think we covered all the points. Of course, when we talk about kiosk, one of the solutions that work offline. Yani, if you were disconnected from the internet, the kiosk will work on the local network on your store or restaurant, and will work with the integration directly wired with the point of sale that you already use at the store. Moving on, features and characteristics. Those actually general features and characteristics about the platform itself, serving different solutions. We have template management. I'm going to focus on some of those features as we mentioned earlier at the beginning of this webinar. Some of the powerful functions that the platform provides for the market, F&B and retail market. One of them actually is the template management. I say template management. Now, one of the issues we face all the time, and issues or one of the questions from our clients or KSA clients or market, let's say, is how to get my unique app, let's say, using the same platform. Because why I want to use this platform. I want, let's say, take this Jigsaw solution, but I don't want all customers to know. This is one of the clients' issues actually. Keep asking, or requirements, let's say, requirements, yeah. I want to take the mobile application from Jigsaw platform, but I don't want all customers to know that this restaurant is using Jigsaw platform, because it's almost the UI, the user interface screens of this mobile application, almost similar to the other restaurants that use the same platform, Jigsaw platform. This is where template management idea came from, actually. It's not about controlling the template and that's it. No, the template management is about controlling the design with the specific controllers while your app is already live. So you can control and adjust the template of your screens without the need of generating new versions and publish them on the stores. So for example, now when you go to the dashboard, your dashboard as a client, you will sign in. You will see the dashboard. Here you can see the solutions that you have from Jigsaw. Like if you have kiosk, you will see here the kiosk. If you have mobile application, you will see mobile application and kiosk. If you add later web application, you will see web application. If you even have informative website, because it does provide the informative website, you can see here the informative website that you have. So you can have one dashboard, one control panel for all your solutions you have from Jigsaw platform. Let's go to template management. This is the example that we need to show. You will see your mobile application. Like this is your, let's say this is Jigsaw restaurant. This is Jigsaw application, mobile application. I can go through the screens, screen by screen or page by page, and see what can I adjust or modify in the terms of UI, I'm saying, because it's related to template management. So for example, I will see splash screen. This is the splash screen. I can change the splash screen, which is the screen that we see when we open any app in the first 2 to 3 seconds. We can upload image or we can upload video. And you will see in the actual dashboard, you will see like hint here, like if you are uploading a video, it should be in this specific format, and its size shouldn't exceed X kilobyte or megabyte, and etc. So the dashboard will guide you to upload the proper image or media, let's say media content, to avoid affecting the performance of the app, not to be heavy and slow. So you can upload GIF, you can upload video, you can upload image, and then just save all changes. And this change will be immediately reflected on your live app without the need to generate a new version of mobile application, let's say, and publish it on the App Store and Play Store. This is what we mean when we say template management, why it is a powerful function. Let's go back, see something else, onboarding. Yeah, this is the onboarding screen. Some of the onboarding screen will be used like user guide. We call it user guide, where you can skip or click next, next, next. You can control that immediately on live app, sign up pages, user information. You can see here, whenever I click on any screen or page, I will see the page, the actual page here, to see what I'm going to change or control. Term of use. So you can update your privacy policy terms and conditions immediately live. Home screen. Yeah, this is amazing actually. Here in home screen, this is like the home screen of my restaurant, Jigsaw restaurant or Jigsaw store. If I go to slider, for example, I can control each image, and put a timer for this image. Put a timer for this image. Like this image, like an offer for 2 days. So after 20 or 48 hours, it will automatically disappear. And we can control how fast the slider will move in home screen. And we can control, of course, because we're talking about template, we can control the like, yeah, a burger menu, which is the app menu on the top left on the screen. I want it in this format, or like this one, or like this one. So I will choose the style that I want. Now, okay, I'm gonna postpone this point that I was about to say once we complete this template management. Let's go, for example, item style. Okay, this is not maybe order method. Yeah, so this is another home screen, different style. This is different style. I will see the change on my mobile immediately. If I have 3 order methods, I will choose like something like this: pickup, dine in, delivery. If I have 4 plus order methods, I can go with this one. I can pick up, delivery, dine in, book a table. But of course, the point I was going to say minutes ago, if I want to go with this design, but I need to add one more order method. This is doable, but not live, easily on the back end using the super admin that we have, Jigsaw development department has, and they will do it for you, right? So here you will see like the quick changes, adjustable controllers on your UI screens of your app or your solution, so you can manage. You can see here promotions. How would you like them to appear? You can control the order method to add, remove, and see your screen. immediately how it will look actually once you remove any order method, etc. You can control the style of the payment method, appear, remove, hide. Yeah, you get the idea. So this is the actually the powerful of this template management. The main powerful point of template management function, as I mentioned, how you can change or update your apps live without the need of generating a new version of the mobile application, let's say, and publish it on stores. That will go through the cycle of waiting approval from stores, something happened while uploading the version, and etc. The other thing is actually solving, we are solving by this powerful feature some of the most required function during holidays or special events. For example, you will hear each client saying that, guys, I need to change the appearance or some colors or something, maybe icons. So some icons in my app during national holiday, maybe during Eid al-Adha, during Eid al-Fitr, during Ramadan month, uh, whatever special event that you are facing, you can adjust the look and feel of your app based on the based on type of holiday that you're about to engage with. So this is actually where template management function became in hand with the became handy with the owner of restaurant. Okay, going back to the presentation. The next feature or key features on Jigsaw platform is heat maps reports. Let's or the visual. This is wrong. Okay, the heat maps report. This feature actually one of our loyal client. I don't know. Maybe he's here in the webinar. I don't know. I hope. He asked for a specific requirement a while back. He said, Ala, if someone tries to order outside of the coverage zone or outside of the delivery areas that we serve, can we capture those data? This is where it comes. Yeah, the idea of heat maps reports a while back, like or more. Then we came up with the full reports about heat maps reports. Like in the heat maps, you can say that if you want to see actual orders, where are actual orders coming from on the map? So if you can see my screen, here we can see we have several orders in this area. The more red area, the more red the area became or becomes, the more traffic. As you know, it's almost similar to Snapchat. If you are using Snapchat, guys, the Snapchat map, almost similar in the concept in general. So you can see the actual or your actual orders distributed on the delivery areas that you serve actually. Then you can see the dropped orders because of, like here, if you click here, you can see the orders dropped because of the out of delivery range. So when you as a customer select a delivery address not included in the coverage zone or in the delivery areas that the business serve, actually, we capture this data to see maybe your business is going to expand in the next year. So this is actually one of the big data that you will consider while thinking about where to open your next branch, where to open where to open your next branch. So this is like one of the biggest inputs that you will take from Jigsaw platform. You can see also drop orders because of closed branch. So I'm located here, let's say, at this point or at this location. Usually I place all my orders from this location usually, and it will go, the orders will go to this branch. Now this branch closed for any reason like traffic, maintenance, whatever reason this branch closed for. Now my delivery orders will go to the nearest, to the next nearest branch here. So the client will know that this branch has some some kind of drop in the sales. He would like to know, the business owner, is it because when we close this branch for a couple of days for maintenance? How to know for sure? We capture the data. All orders usually go to this branch from those locations. We capture them, we capture those orders and show it to you in a report. So you'll know these like 60 orders usually served by this branch A. But in this month or this week, they were served by this branch B, for example. So these three main reports related to the heat maps reports, the powerful function we were talking about on the presentation. Of course, the branch management of the branch or the branch's management, well known to enable you to or allow you to control the working hours, images of the branch, anything related to the branch itself. You can control it from the branch management. Management of delivery areas. You can control the delivery areas of your branches by drawing actually the zone around each branch, or just giving to the platform the diameter, and the platform will draw the proper cycle based on this diameter for your branch. And this zone called delivery areas, based on those areas, delivery orders will be acceptable or not through your online channels of ordering. Menu management, you can control after syncing. Of course, you can sync the menu from your point of sale to your apps, and then you can control your menu or your menus that appear on your solution. So for kiosk, for example, you will get the menu from your point of sale. Then you need to change some of the items, like put this item under this category, combine those items in this category, put it all in this under this category, and so on. You can adjust even the price. So you can override any information related to this menu you got from the syncing with your point of sale. You can override any information, and it will be shown on your ordering solution, whether it's kiosk or mobile application or web application. Multi-menus per branch. Here you can control the multi-menus, like you have breakfast menu, you have lunch menu, you have dinner menu. In Ramadan, you have sahur menu, you have iftar menu. From this function, actually, you can control multi-menus for multi-branches. Healthy and normal order subscription. This is where you control, or this function actually enables the subscriptions of the orders in general for healthy industries, considering the healthy food, allergic items, etc., or for normal industries, F&B industries, like any restaurant. And we have in the pipeline a lot of clients been asking for this recently. Like one of the requirements we have received that customers calling the restaurant, let's say restaurant X, and asking to subscribe for the next 3 months for specific items like order to be delivered each Friday to their families, for example, because they're saying, the customers saying, we are sitting with our families each Friday, for example, and we want to order this specific order each Friday from your restaurant. Can you please allow me to pay upfront to make sure those items in this order available for the next 3 months, and so on. So this is where this function actually uh, come to function and serve this requirement. Normal order subscriptions for normal F&B, healthy order subscriptions for the healthy restaurants that provide healthy foods and consider, as I mentioned, allergic items, specific criteria related to the health industries. We have promo codes options fully controlled from the admin panel. When to use, types of promo codes, how to track the promo codes, each promo codes, how many times being used, and etc. A flexible loyalty program. The loyalty program the platform provide has a lot of controllers, like when you spend 1 riyal, how many points you will give your customers. When they collected that X amount of points will equal how many amount of riyals when they want to spend or redeem their points. How many points you want to give for registration points for the invitee or the inviter, for both, when to give them while registering, after they make the first order. Those types of controllers actually there on the platform where you can control them and adjust them while your apps are already live. Customer service management, where you can see your feedback, your customers' feedback, and reply to them. It's like ticketing. Manage and track the orders, obviously. Publish news and events on the banners and sliders of your apps. Multiple marketing tools. This is mainly related to the notification engine, where you can set automated cycle based on a trigger, like when you register, for example, when a customer register and place his first order, give him 10 points, the 10 points extra, for example. When a customer reaches 10 orders, give him 10 points, and share a notification with this specific customer about like saying congrats, you have been awarded with 10 or 1,000 points because you have reached the first level of spending amount, etc. Multiple payment method. You can control the methods of payment appear on your apps. And multiple order options, as mentioned, pickup, curbside, delivery, drive-through, etc. Customer database, multiple languages and currencies, statistics, and sales dashboard. Actually, there is something here maybe I skipped. Okay, it's not mentioned here maybe. One of the powerful function that the platform also provide or enable or allow the client or the business owner to do is the it's called content management or terminology controls, where you can actually change or update almost any content in your application live. Like in the home screen, if you want to change, let's go and see something here. For example, you are in the home screen, for example, anything that you can read here or see in home screen can be considered as a content. Almost every content in your apps can be changed and controlled from your side through the admin panel on your live apps. Like the terminologies here: recommended, favorite, the category's name, pizza, etc. Here, delivering to, the logo. Of course, the template management will allow you to change the icons, the currencies here, even the terms and conditions, and as clarified previously in this session. So the content management system is one of the also powerful function that this platform allow the business owner to use. So even the let's say the pop-ups, all pop-ups that you can see in your apps, you can control, like the title of the pop-up, even the font, the size of the text. For, let's say, Eid al-Adha holiday, make the pop-up, the title of the pop-up small, make the text bold and bigger with the purple color. Such controllers you will be allowed to do on your apps, live apps, using a content management system or function or engine on Jigsaw platform. Okay. Ordering types that the platform provides: dine-in, we talked about this, dine-in, pickup, curbside, drive-through, delivery. Curbside, curbside, it's almost like pickup, but the order will be served to you while sitting in your car. This is the main difference between the pickup, actually, and the curbside. I think, unfortunately, we have reached the end of the session. We have much more to talk about, maybe in the next webinar, inshallah. This is some of our partners and some of the integrations we've done with. And that's it. Thank you guys for, I hope you enjoyed the webinar. I hope I answered some of your questions. I think, Muna, now we have some time for any question.
Yes, we do have. Let's take some questions from the attendees. Thank you so much, Alaa. Anyone has any question? In all cases, we will send out the recorded presentation plus the PPT as well to all the attendees.
Yeah, along we can share it along with the company profile, Muna, if you please.
We will do.
Okay, thank you guys for your time.
Thank you
See you
so
in the
much.
next webinar. Thank you. Thank you, Muna. Thank
Thank
you
you,
all.
Alaa. Have a great day. Bye.